Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete your own YouTube channel. This is an important step, so I'm gonna show you how to delete your YouTube channel forever, permanently. So the first thing we want to do, we can go to Firefox or Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome, it doesn't matter. You just open your web browser, you go to YouTube, www.youtube.com, and you click on your icon here, whatever icon you have. You click, make sure that you're signed in to your YouTube channel or to your YouTube account. And from here we're gonna scroll down into settings. After that, it says here on your left, account, notifications, playback and performance, privacy, connected apps, billing and payments, advanced settings. So go ahead and click on advanced settings. After that, you see here it says user ID, channel ID, default channel, move channel, delete channel. Delete channel, you're gonna click on. Deleting your YouTube channel won't close your Google account. So remember that you only are deleting your own YouTube channel, not your account. Are you considering deleting your channel? Deleting this channel with an unresolved YouTube partner program suspension could prevent you from earning from any other channels you own or create. It says here, hide or delete your contact from YouTube. You're about to hide or delete your contact for YouTube. For the ideas of the word, please choose one of the options. I want to hide my contact. So here you can hide all your contact if you don't want to delete that. Or I want to permanently delete my contact. So we're gonna click on that. And we're gonna fill this box. And it says here, any paid subscription that you own, YouTube Premium, whatever, YouTube channel memberships will be cancelled and you will still have access until the end of the billing cycle. So we're gonna fill that gap also and go ahead, delete. It says here, deleting your contact. This will permanently delete all your contact, YouTube contact, including all your videos, playlists, likes, subscription, comments, messages, search history, and the data can be restored. So it cannot. Once you delete that, it goes in permanently. Please confirm by typing your channel names. It says here, type your channel name. So I'm gonna go ahead and type my channel name, which is the ideas of the word. Delete permanently. Your content is being deleted. Your content is in the process of being permanently deleted unless it takes a few minutes, but can take up to a couple of days. So that's it, you guys. You don't have to do anything more. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to share this video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.